Welcome to Surge's Happy Learning. Today, let us see representation of vector quantity. How the vector quantity is represented. That is, vectors presented here. As we all know, vector quantity is a quantity which is completely described by its magnitude, unit, and direction. Now here we have taken example of displacement vector. Actually, vector is represented by an arrow. Here, arrow AB represents displacement vector. A is tail of the arrow and B is the tip of the arrow. This tip indicates direction of displacement. The length of the arrow is 5 meter. This is displacement vector, that is vector AB, also noted as AB bar. Now, length of vector AB is nothing but magnitude of vector. That is, magnitude of displacement of the object, and that is equal to 5 meter. Then direction of vector AB is nothing but the direction of displacement of object, and it is towards east, that is due east. Then the another example is of velocity vector. Again, this is vector AB denoted as AB bar. Again, B is the tail of the vector, A is the tip of the vector, and length of vector is 5 meter. Here, length of vector AB is nothing but magnitude of the velocity and is 5 meter per seconds, since length of the vector is 5 meter. That is length 1 meter equivalent to velocity of 1 meter per second. Then direction of vector AB is nothing but the direction of velocity, and here the direction is towards north, or we can say it is 90 degrees to east direction. Then a simple multiple choice question is length of vector represents blank and arrowhead represents, you have to fill in the blanks here also, of vector quantity. The first choice is direction, that is A. Second, B, direction, comma, magnitude. C, magnitude. D, magnitude, comma, direction. You will have to answer this multiple choice question in the comment box. Here we have seen how vector quantity is represented, that is by a simple arrow. Its length is nothing but magnitude of vector quantity, and arrowhead represents direction of vector quantity. I hope you have clearly understood the meaning of rather representation of vector quantity here. Thank you so much. I hope you will like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Again, thank you from Sorge's Happy Learning channel.